Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So we have had a second green day in a row, which is fairly significant. We are still in this, I think it's flag at the moment, and pretty much from there to there, that is our measured move target should we break the flag to the upside, which is 14,389. Now 14,000 is still the mark we need to clear, and obviously that's a little bit higher up, so you just get that line drawn in and make sure that you pay attention to it, because you're probably going to get quite a bit of action around that level, I would assume. Okay, so we have had a fairly strong rally. There is a double bottom here. I just want to draw it out for you. There it is there. We haven't really had a retest of that level, and that takes us pretty much onto 14,093, back into this 1400 area. So with that being said, obviously what we're looking for, let's just delete that one and delete that one. We're looking for structure. We're looking for opportunities to buy into this, and the logical area right now is right here. But that would erode most of yesterday's gain. So that 13,720, and if we do move down to that, then we've got the gap to the downside. So we do have two gaps to the downside. We've got one gap right here to the upside, so I assume that that's going to close today. And then obviously we have another gap higher up as well. So for me at the moment, we should be buying, but buying cautiously, because we are coming up to the top of the flag. So we're coming up the top of the flag, coming up to resistance, and look at my oscillators here, all grouping to the upside. So that is indicating that we need to look for a move to the downside, some form of retracement. So yeah, I think as far as I'm concerned, this double bottom is validated, so that's the one I'd be playing for. So 15 minutes it is on the DAX at the moment. Wait for pullbacks, wait for structure, and you can see there's a bit of structure right here as well. So this would also make sense. That's 13,815. So come back onto that, find some support, start making a higher high on the 15 minutes, and it just needs to be one bar, guys. It just needs to be one bar higher high. So for example, here, higher high, a lot of people call it their confirmation bar, but pretty much it's price just closing higher than the previous bar. Off a level, that's your indication with a stop below the level, and that's what I'd be waiting for here. So just pay attention to the top of the flag, and then obviously 1400, because those two areas are going to offer quite a bit of resistance. It's been offering resistance for quite some time, so the longer it goes on, the stronger that resistance is. Anyway, that's it for me today. Looking for longs, looking for the pullbacks, buying into any pullback, keeping a tight stop. So your tight stop is always going to be below the swing low of the previous move. So in this case, we come back here on the 13,815, start bouncing. Stop is all the way down here, below 13,7, or at 13,750, 152, somewhere in that area. Okay, that's it for me today. I hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.